Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you again in grade 10. So, class, today we are going to start a new chapter of our IT subject, that is the grouping objects. Earlier, we had studied that how to insert chart, tables, and how to insert animations in our slideshow. So, now let's start with the new topic, grouping objects. Class, before starting our topic, there are some general instructions for you. My dear students, day by day cases of coronas are increasing. So it is your duty that you can take care of yourself and your family members. Always wear a mask. Always use a sanitizer. And the main and one important thing, that always maintain a social distancing. So I hope, dear students, you must follow these instructions. So let's start with our topic, grouping objects. So if you want to make a grouping of objects, firstly you have to open a PPT, that is the PowerPoint presentation. So here is new slide. So firstly, we have to choose the various type of shapes. So here in the home tab, there are the various types of options available, but we have to choose these shapes. Like here, I have to choose this shape. Then you see here, this shapes occurs. Now I want to choose more shapes, like I want to choose the shape of circle. So now this is the circle. Now third one, I want to choose again shape like rectangle or a triangle shape. So here is the shape of triangle. So these are the different type of shapes. But our topic is the grouping of objects, means we have to make a single group of all these pictures. So firstly we have to click on this and take this picture to another picture. Then again we have to click on this and take this picture to on another picture. So this is the way that how we can make a single group of the various type of pictures. If we want to ungroup these shapes, then again click on it, then this, then move a cursor, then again click on it and then move a cursor. So this is the way that how we can group or ungroup the shapes and objects. Now our next topic is the how to adding a speaker notes or how to add a text. So first of all we have to make a new slide. So this is our new slide. So you can see here, this is our second slide, this is our first slide, this is our second slide. Now we want to add some picture and we want to add some text here. So now I want to add picture. So first of all I can choose the picture, like my picture lies on my desktop, like this is the picture. So firstly I can open it, then make a right click and then copy and then minimize it. Now again open the PPT where we have to paste it. So again right click and then paste button. So see here, this is the way that how we can copy and paste the pictures. So it is our own choice that we can make our changes in the size of picture according to our own choice. Like here I want to reduce the size of picture. So this is the way. Now if I want to add a text, I can simply click it here and write that this is a picture of camel. So this is the way that how we can write the text. So now class, our next one is the that if we want to make a changes in a text regarding the spelling mistakes, like here I can make a changes in the spelling of camel. So the spelling of camel is wrong, so I want to change the spelling, then select it, then right click and here is the option of the, see here is the option of spelling, so we can simply click on it. So this type of window appears, then they can ask from us whether you want to ignore the spelling or you want to make a change, or you want to make a add. Like here I want to make a ignore in the spelling, so I can simply click on ignore button. Then they can ask from me the spelling check is incomplete, so okay. So it means there is a no change in the spelling. Now if we really want to make a change in the spelling of camel, then now again right click and then spelling. Click on the spelling button. Here this type of window appears. So here is the right spelling of camel. You can see it here. So if you want to change, then you can select this spelling and then click on the change button and then okay. See here, there is a change in the spelling of a camel. So this is the way that how you can insert a picture, how you can add a text, and if there is a spelling in your text, then you can use the spelling and the grammar icon, and after clicking on this icon you can make the changes in your text. Hope you can easily understand the concept. Have a great day. Thank you, dear class.